We've rearranged the whole storage unit. Family is definitely pretty big about Christmas. We're getting somewhere here, guys. I'm gonna show you guys what the best gingerbread house in the house looks like. We all do these great things together, especially with the little woman. Oh! Oh! Thinks he's all that. Ooh, we gotta hurry up and use this before the battery runs dead. We're learning math right now, guys. Can you guys believe this business here? All right, we got this trailer now being switched over here. Oh my gosh, we're loading. Can you guys see? Hold on, let me see, help you guys see here. Trailer is never ending. We got the load going back in. We've got videos being made over here. Stuff that needs to be, what, we look like tweakers? Yes. You know what, you sound like a subscribers now. They always say, we guys look like tweakers out here. Oh my God. We've got a mess. We're gonna keep making videos, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this series. Go to Storage Stalker's channel. There he is, Storage Stalker. Somewhere in there. Yep. He's got videos, Facebook, YouTube. And we're gonna get to it. Don't forget to hit the like button, the share button. And if you're subscribed already and not getting notifications, turn them on. If you are getting notifications, you're set, but it's free to subscribe, so don't let it stop you. And if you're not getting them, unsubscribe, resubscribe, set the bell, and roll with it. It's getting hectic. I don't even know where we are in this video. We've rearranged the whole storage unit. We've loaded the trailer for Alameda. We're putting the non-film back in. This bad boy here is completely loaded down. Man, look at that. All that pleasure in there. We're done for the day, getting ready to head out. Wrapping it up here. We still got, I say, good at least 2-3 videos a piece. You can see this chunk right here is all got to be filmed, and the rest of my warehouse. All right, we're home just in time. Whew, there's my decorations, just in time to do gingerbreads with the family. Let's see what they're doing. I'm gonna come in filming, so let's see where we're at. We're home. I always walk in the side door. Hope somebody's got my light on. Wonder what they were doing there. Or that's been on all freaking night. It's about time. Whoa. It's about time to eat a cookie.
Oh, wow.
Oh, no. Copying her idea.
Yours is the best?
Or I think I like that one.
Quick, I haven't eaten all day. I gotta have a quick piece of pizza. Oh my gosh. And look at this. Look at the flowers over there. She gets all these beautiful flowers. She gets so spoiled. Now look at these beautiful.
That's true.
You think yours is the best?
I think so.
All right. You think yours is the best?
Nope.
Wait,
No?
no,
I like
knows what
hers.
she is. Think of a
See what
nickname.
Anaya thinks. Anaya, do you think yours
Think
is
of a
the best?
nickname.
Obviously.
Obviously. I like your gingerbread man.
Thank you.
See what Michaela has. Hers says, who is hugging? All right.
It's because Mikhail's lonely.
Who's DC4L?
Bother me.
I thought that was like a rapper.
I thought that was a rapper.
I thought it was a rapper.
ask you that.
Rue, Michael says Rue because he's his favorite character in Winnie the Pooh is Rue.
Yep, and it's his ST on the side.
Look at yours.
Mine's a mess.
Yours is very.
Look at mine.
Messy.
Mine's like
Intricate.
mine's
I
like
like
the
the
best.
pattern on yours.
I saw it from that.
Oh, okay.
Well,
This is about to be the best one right here, guys. All right, we're getting somewhere here, guys. I'm gonna show you guys what the best gingerbread house in the house looks like.
Look at me, look at
We're
me.
getting there. Yours,
Look at me.
Michael, yours does no rhyme or
Point the
reason.
camera to me.
Yeah, mine
I'm
goes,
the one who's gonna win. Me.
You are?
Me.
mine goes crazy. Yeah, it's just like an inside joke, all right?
So I got ho 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 over here. I've created some trees here. This is my doorknob because I picture all Christmas doorknobs are orange. Look at, I even made a wreath. I'm working on the other side now.
Don't use all of it though.
All right, so I'm done with mine. So what do you guys think? Final. Let me see. There's this.
It's a Chad hut.
We're all done here. A mess is made. Oh my god.
Maybe.
Like this.
Eviana, what is it? What is it we're baking here? What is it?
Concoction.
It's a concoction.
Yes.
Are you putting this in
But I
there?
asked you not.
Is it a surprise?
I think it's supposed to hook on here. Oh, the string's on. I need to hook. I already hooked up the first 2 ornaments.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh
this
my
one.
gosh! I hope you put it all the way up there.
I know, but apparently I'm not allowed to go on the ladder.
Maybe Christmassy thought doesn't come from the store.
Ta-da.
Maybe Christmas perhaps means a little bit more. We got a lot of ornaments.
This is glass.
We have a 12-foot tree.
2004, home for the holidays.
Pretty much every one of these have come from a storage unit at some point. Look at Dorothy, that's one of my favorites. We love baby Groku. These were like $8.99 a piece. I'm really shocked I bought them because I'm so cheap, but I did. Showing you guys a little bit of our Christmas spirit we got going on in the house here. Don't get your tinsels in a tangle. That's priceless. That's cute. Little fridge tinsel there. There we go. Cut it like that. Let's do it like that. Here is our list right here. Tinsel, tinsel, tinsel all over here, and everybody's Christmas list. Everybody wants to go to Disney World. We just got done with our gingerbread evening, and this was our hot chocolate station, our leftovers. I think the little woman made this one. Jess, did you make this one? You did. She did. She made that one. Let me come into our living room here. Even our blanket here on the couch. One of my favorite pieces though. If you remember, I found this years ago in a storage unit and I had it framed. I always loved that. But we got Santa, holiday, cheer everywhere. Family is definitely pretty big about Christmas. Little woman made these out of paper bags. Those are pretty tight. She is very creative. Very creative, and we have all sorts of Christmas cheer. I think I just picked her up this one. I'm glad she didn't have it. Whew, I'm so glad because I just bought this. Well, here's our gingerbread, guys. You guys can, here's a finale. Michaela's. I want to say that is, I forget, I don't know whose that one is. That's Jess's. I think that's Jess's. This is Anaya's. This is Michael's. This is Jess's sister. This is Evie's. Mine, the winner, guys. Make sure you vote for mine. And their moms, I think. Jess's moms. Yes, and that is our Christmas decorations, guys. What do you guys think? We got trolls going on. We got it all. It's like literally everywhere is Christmas cheer. It is the most wonderful time of the year. Ooh, everywhere. It's like the North Pole in here. We got lights. I want to show you guys our bedroom Christmas tree. Look at that one. This is Jess's personal Christmas tree, I guess. I don't know. This is the one. It's cute. Look at all the candy decorated on it. That is beautiful. She did this one. Did she make the beads? This, I just realized how, you guys see how coordinated she is? That's one of our, we got that last year too. And I think, oh no, even our bed. Even our bed is Christmas cheer, guys. Even our bedroom. Our bed is Christmas cheer.
Yeah, I heard. That's what I'm saying. Too bad we can't get it. Let's make someone send that line express.
They won't even DoorDash right now.
Oh, they won't?
No, there's no DoorDash for it.
Oh, that's my family.
I mean,
Can you guys even see this? My phone, my camera might die. That's what I was saying, that's my family. You guys don't see enough, and you guys know Michaela and Michael very well over the years, even though you don't see them as much anymore. But that's my whole family. Little woman Jess and I and Abby, my two youngest daughters. We all do these great things together, especially with the little woman in my life. She is very, oh, she put some more ornaments up here. She is very, very festive, and always, she helps me do things that I don't know how to do as a parent. And I wasn't raised right, so it's hard for me to raise right. And she helps me with these things that I'm not good at doing. Let me get out of the way here. Christmas, 23 days, 4 hours, 15 minutes, and 35 seconds. This is one of my favorite things because not many people have those on their yard. And you try to be different. We got the lights, the trim, very simple. This is our outdoor decorations, and I think we did a pretty good job of being festive. It's not too much, not too little. I did the tree right there, and the little woman's not happy because she don't like the zigzag and all that, and she wants like this. She wants it like that. So that was a little controversial there. The tree is beautiful, guys. I wonder how well this is gonna show.
Maybe people said I'm yelling. I'm not yelling.
Oh, we got Pinocchio. Look at that. These are beautiful. What's everybody's favorite here? Jess, is your favorite the Starbucks? I'm gonna guess that one is your favorite.
I like blue.
You like blue?
Yeah.
Okay. I think my favorite's the one I just got, and that is this controller right here.
Bro, you want some
you know, I like a controller too, you know.
I thought it was tight. The Wicked Witch. Look at all these. We have a very unique and colorful tree. I like this one too. Look at it, it's like the Good Witch, Gwendolyn. She's about to give everybody their home and all that good stuff. I just learned that this is guys from Shrek, so that one's pretty cool now.
Let me see.
This is a gingerbread.
I like our tree. And that
Ow!
that is ow.
This is from McDonald's.
Oh, it is?
It was mine.
This is Gingerbread from Shrek. He's so funny when they have him on the.
Not bad. All right, that's a wrap on our Christmas then. And there's Groku on the tree.
Oh my god, you're
Christmas in heaven, what do? They come down to earth, they spend it with you. So save them a seat, just one empty chair. You may not see them, but they will be there. I like that. Wait, let's play rock, paper, scissors to go. Who first? Rock, paper, scissors.
No, rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors.
shoot. Rock, paper, scissors. Oh, yeah, you won.
I won, see? Yeah. All right.
I'm facing Mikey next because he thinks that's not fun.
You face the winner.
You go next now?
I'm not gonna.
Yeah, no, I want to see who I'll beat you.
Are you saying Michael's gonna face me, have you?
No, I'm facing you.
She said
That still counts.
That does not count. You
It's a
didn't go-
hole.
that is not you don't just get the hole.
Dang it.
I got 30.
Cheater?
Okay, no one won.
No, she said that Michael plays the winner, and I said so he's gonna play me.
I'll play the.
Who's the winner?
But no one won. We have to keep playing. until
Alright,
we
I'll
win.
play
Yeah,
against.
me and Mikey are gonna play.
I would be actually say I was going.
Mikey, you're playing.
I'll play against Michaela.
Whoever makes it in the hole first wins.
Oh my gosh. This is not as easy as it looks.
Wait.
You could like this too.
Let me try it. Well, see, I'm trying to slide up here.
No, I just shoot like a basketball.
That's how I make it now. She almost had that.
I got 30 guys. He didn't know.
She almost beat you like all three of those throws.
All right, I got you.
Last one.
I gotta watch her though. Her elbows be going over. She's cheating sometimes.
I just like chuck it.
Cause it works better.
It's like
Dang it.
slamming.
Oh!
Oh my.
Mikey
Oh!
has to play against Mike.
All right, Michael,
All right,
come
Dad.
on.
Mike
It's
versus
wraps.
Mike.
Yeah.
Go!
Go ahead, Michael. You go
1 point,
first.
Mikey.
Nice.
1 point, Mike.
All right.
Okay, I'm warming up. That's my first.
Oh, you gotta do it. Come on.
Loser.
Let's go. You got a chance.
Got through, really?
What the heck? Oh!
Oh! Oh! Man.
I still have one more. I'm crazy.
Dang it.
You suck.
I don't care. I didn't
Okay,
lose right
I
there. You
have
can
to
keep
say-
going now, right?
Yeah.
No, it's one. Wait, I got one more. So if I beat this,
wait.
it's a game
I didn't know you had
over.
one more. Wait.
Oh!
That's like an air ball.
It's 2-2.
What?
Oh, Mikey.
I'm just good under pressure. What's happening? Why I just completely drain it?
He's good under pressure, right?
That's just what it is.
I bet his Fortnite record doesn't say that.
Why? It's like 2
I
years
don't-
ago, bro. It's my
That's
Rush
like 2
record.
years ago,
You guys,
bro.
that
It's
is Rust.
Rust.
I've been telling you, make
I bet
Rush
his Rush
jokes.
record doesn't say that.
There we go. No.
Oh,
against
no
Mike
way.
I go against Mike.
No,
wait!
I still have a chance.
He has a
but-
chance.
No, I was next.
Michael has a chance.
I'm under pressure.
Okay, fine, then I'll go against.
Ah, okay, that's over,
I think
right?
I made it in.
Oh! Tie.
I told you, it's just
All right.
pressure.
First one in. If I
I got
make
$1 on
this,
Mikey.
I got $2 on Mikey.
I got
Let's go.
nothing.
I got $1
Nice.
for Mikey.
Rooting for him.
Oh, it's under your foot.
I got $1 for Mikey.
go.
Go, Mikey.
Oh.
Why don't you knock me over? Stop
I don't
trying
know.
to
We're
hard.
just having
sucking
I'm
at it.
savage like that.
I got the
He's
aim down.
savage like that.
I'm like right next to it.
There you
Yeah.
go.
Oh!
He won. Next.
Mikey.
It's Michaela versus
Man,
Mikey.
sorry, I had to.
I go against champion.
Oh, I lost.
I had to just.
Michaela.
Yeah, I'm Michaela.
Michaela.
Loser, start it.
Oh.
Oh. Boo!
Just do that one.
My money's on Mikey.
Did it go through the hole?
No.
Oh, wait, so went through the candy cane.
Oh, here we go. Special.
Oh.
Special cam. Nope.
Michaela. Okay, I got to go against
No, wait,
Mikey.
wait.
Special
There we
behind the
go.
cam, guys.
Is Michaela already
No, let me
done
do it.
for? How
Let me
does
do
the
it.
game
Mike,
work?
let me do it.
Playing it.
Okay, so whoever gets in first.
Behind
I
the
already made it.
scenes.
Michaela should be. I just made it.
This is under the. Oh,
Honestly,
I
I'm
almost hit the
confident.
camera.
It's
Oh, close.
Yeah, you're scared. I know it.
Close.
I know
Close.
you're scared.
Oh,
Oh, there we
I
go.
made it when no,
No
one was looking.
win.
I saw that though.
It's good. At least someone.
no win
That was
so
awkward.
far. No win.
I actually dropped it. I was thinking.
Going, so I'm gonna win.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
It's me against Mikey.
I root for Naya.
Thinks he's all that.
You know, I played basketball.
Yeah,
I got
basketball,
30
yeah.
I got a third
CYO, 4th grade. 2 years.
You know.
2 years running.
I was the center. You know.
He's got it. Oh! He's coming in strong. I want a rematch. Shall we?
Runs around like a circus animal.
Yeah, what's up?
All right, one champion and round champion off, Michael.
Ooh,
Here we go. Because when I told him that, I made it easy with just one shot. I didn't give myself a chance.
Happy
So, here we go.
holidays.
I was trying.
Give it to me. Give it to me. I'll go back.
All
I'll
right.
do the
Let's try it
champion.
now.
I'll do the champion.
I got him try hard now.
I'll do the champion.
Oh, you're so lucky. There's no way.
First time playing, he just comes in here being M1.
That's what's
Okay.
That's what's up, Michael. I played at the park 3 summers running back in '96 and '98. You know what I mean?
That was lucky.
Mike.
I'm just kidding.
Mike, dang it.
I got it.
No!
Now
Nice,
she gets
crazy.
to go against me.
That's crazy.
Mike gets to go against me now.
All right, let's get it.
Me and Mike.
Now is the winner between me and her. Oh, you're thinking first?
That's on.
You can start off.
Oh.
Oh,
How's it feel to be in the losing circle?
Horrible.
Horrible.
I'm crazy.
Did you just?
I know. I'm actually I won. I should be the champion. I should be playing right now. Can you try my? Where's the other two? Let me try my hand at juggling.
I don't know where they put it.
I'm an expert juggler.
I think they're like holding it or something.
What the other? What, do you have the two?
Yeah, I think they're holding
Try
it.
my hand at juggling.
Go, Mom. Can you?
You have like 4.
Watch what I can do. Watch what I can do. Wait.
That was like a decent start. I mean, like you had this start for a second.
Maybe if I have enough of them, I can make it keep going, right?
I'm so close.
Oh no, that started.
Oh!
The last time you had like
You
actually.
throw 3 at once.
Wait, I need one.
Last time you actually had a good start. Oh.
Oh, that was alright.
Here. Here.
Lost one. She could do it. Can Evie do it? Let's go, Evie. Let's go. Go on. A little bit. Try a little harder. You could do it.
So you have like 100.
You need to have 3.
No, I can.
Ideas list.
You should have told Sauce and Grandma about your
No, you almost got it. You're doing way better than I did.
You should have sent a picture of it.
I'm doing. Oh, I was doing it. Right.
None of us can juggle. None of us.
This thing just goes up when I back up and then we get stuck.
Where is? Let's go with roasted dandelion root. Ooh, we gotta hurry up and use this before the battery runs dead. We're learning math right now, guys. Can you guys believe this business here? I'm shocked. I'm trying to help the little one with math, and they've changed the entire structure of how we do math. I don't know how I'm supposed to learn to help. Why can't we just have the same math? And anybody answer that question? What are these?
ruined it.
Look at
I
that.
didn't ruin it. I don't see anything.
I know, but this is one.
Put it back in.
This
Put it
is.
back in.
So just grab a random one.
How do you open them?
There is no numbers.
12 days of socks. Why does it say 12 days? Careful.
I think you should just open any one.
Yeah, you might.
You open it like this, ding dongs.
Oh!
Yeah, mine.
Bust them open.
Yeah, mine was. I just got mine good.
Oh, okay. Charmander.
That's Charmander.
Yeah, baby Charmander.
That's cute.
I got Harry.
So you get a whole
You
thing
got
of them.
Harry?
The first one is Harry? No way. That should be like the last one, right? Because Harry's the best. What'd you get, Michael? I did? Oh, boom.
Some Dragon Ball socks.
Wow.
Hey, look at that.
Are you
Look at
running
that
to
art.
school
Come on.
tomorrow?
You gotta make sure Jeebus sees
Mike,
that.
you
Watch
should.
your
You
videos.
should.
Jeebus.
Mike, you should cut this out.
that.
Jeebus,
That-
I'll know if you watch my videos
looks
if you
cool,
comment
doesn't
below
it?
how much you like these
You
socks
should cut
here.
this out and keep it.
Dang, you get some big
Nice.
socks.
Naruto?
Not so.
Naruto.
Yeah, those are small. What if I could fit those?
Those will fit you, Michael. Come on.
Yeah.
Stretch that much.
Wow, my battery's gonna die for the night, so